Welcome back to your go-to cooking channel, Ding Ding Kitchen. Today we have a special treat in store, 五柳魚, also known as sweet and sour fish with 5 types of pickled vegetables. This was so easy to make, I thought it would take me 16 minutes. I did it in under 15. Let's get started. Start by preparing the sauce. Cornstarch, water, ketchup, vinegar, brown sugar, salt, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Mix well. For the pickled vegetables, we'll need about 40 grams. This is the brand that I'll be using today. Make sure to use dry utensils, otherwise it will spoil the rest of the jar. Now we can mince the garlic. This sweet and sour fish is 22 times better than your local restaurant. Now we can cut the fish. Give it a quick rinse. Then add a dash of white pepper and salt to marinate. Now add some cornstarch and a little bit of tapioca starch if you want it to be extra crispy. Make sure to add some water if the starch is not sticking to the fish. Now we can deep fry the fish for about 2 to 3 minutes. Bring it up. Then turn up the heat on the stove. Add the fish back in and deep fry for another 3 minutes or until golden. In a wok, add a little bit of oil and stir fry the pickled vegetables. Add the garlic. Add the sauce. And add the fish. You know what I just realized? I made barely enough sauce. If you're a sauce guy like me, then it's not even enough. But not to worry, I adjusted the recipe in the description box below. That's why you watch Ding Ding Kitchen, because one more mistake for me means one less mistake for you. This is what it will look like with the right amount of sauce. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.